Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Docs Quiz. First, open a new document or form and navigate to its settings. Look for the Quizzes tab or a similar option, then toggle it on to enable quiz mode. This simple action transforms your blank document into an interactive assessment tool, ready for questions. Ensure you save these initial changes. This foundational step sets the stage for a smooth and effective quiz creation process. Next, let's add your questions. You can choose from several types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. Type your question clearly, then input all possible answer options below it. For multiple choice, select the correct answer by clicking its option. Assign a specific point value, like 10 points, to each question, ensuring fair grading. This step is crucial for building a comprehensive and effective assessment. Now, personalize your quiz to match your needs. You can change the theme, colors, and font styles to create an inviting look. Implement important rules like limiting responses to one submission per person or setting a specific 20-minute time limit for completion. Consider privacy settings, such as whether to collect email addresses, to maintain participant confidentiality. These customizations enhance both the user experience and the quiz's integrity. Finally, it's time to share your quiz and review the results. You can distribute it via a direct link, email, or embed it on a web page for easy access. Once submissions come in, the platform automatically grades the objective questions for you. Review individual responses or view a summary of all data. You can then export these results into a spreadsheet, providing valuable insights for further analysis and record keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.